So in this section, you saw the third and fourth principles of object-oriented programming in action. We talked about constructors. You learned that if we don't create a constructor, the Java compiler automatically creates a default constructor without any parameters. You learned about access modifiers. So mainly we use public and private, but we also have protected, which we should avoid because it creates applications that are hard to maintain. We talked about overriding methods, which means changing the implementation of a method in a subclass. As part of this, you learned how to override the equals and the hashcode methods for comparing objects. And finally, we talked about abstract and final classes. Abstract classes cannot be instantiated, and their sole purpose is to provide some common code to their subclasses. We also have final classes, which cannot be extended anymore. We use them in situations where we have made certain assumptions in the implementation of a class, and we want to make sure that these assumptions don't get broken in subclasses. In the next section, we're going to talk about interfaces. So I will see you next.